So today I want to do a quick follow-up video on the Wyze Cam and how the smoke detector and the CO detector function works or doesn't work. Let's find out. Okay, here is the smoke detector that we will test, and this is located in my living room, which is adjacent to the kitchen. Now the Wyze Cam that I have set up is in the kitchen itself, so it's probably about 20 feet away. Let's see what we get here. I'll let it go through 2 or 3 cycles and see if we get a notification. Give the CO detector a try. So one of the first things that you have to make sure that you do is have the notifications and detection turned on for your CO detector and your smoke detector. I'll show you where you do that here in just a second. Have it, so just let me know what you think. It does work. I did have to move the camera just a little bit closer so that it would pick up the signal from the detector, but it does work. You do get the notifications, and it records a 12-second video. So if it detects the smoke detector or the CO2 detector, then you get a 12-second video that also goes along with it. Now, of course, if you have a smart or a SD card in your camera, you get continuous recording anyway with any events. So there you have it. Let me know what you think.